Hi everyone, this is Bill with Gadsden Freedom Outdoors. Today we're going to talk about the 7th Amendment of our Bill of Rights. I just wanted to point something out to you as we go through these amendments. I just want you to understand that we're presenting the amendment in its original content, the way our forefathers wrote it. So I just want you to understand that. So in the 7th Amendment, in suits at common law where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of the trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court in the United States than according to the rules of common law. Now, the 7th Amendment to the United States Constitution is part of our Bill of Rights. We all know that. This amendment codifies the right to a jury trial in certain civil cases and inhibits courts from overturning a jury's findings of fact. There was an earlier version of the 7th Amendment that was introduced in Congress in 1789 by James Madison, along with other amendments in response to anti-federalist objections to the new Constitution. Congress proposed a revised version of the 7th Amendment to the states on September 28, 1789. And by December 15, 1791, the necessary 3/4 of the states had ratified it. So the amendment does not guarantee trial by jury in cases under maritime law and lawsuits against the government itself, and for many parts of patent claims. In all other cases, the jury can be waived by consent of all parties. So the amendment additionally guarantees a minimum of 6 members for a jury in a civil trial. The amendment's $20 threshold has not been the subject of much scholarly or judicial writing and still remains applicable despite the inflation that has occurred since the late 18th century. $20 in 1800s is equivalent to $359 in 2023. The 7th Amendment is generally considered one of the more straightforward amendments of the Bill of Rights. While the 7th Amendment's provision for jury trials in civil cases has never been incorporated, applied to the states. Almost every state has a provision for jury trials in civil cases in its constitution. The prohibition of overturning a jury's findings of fact applies to federal cases, state cases involving federal law, and to review of state cases by federal courts. The United States versus Watson in 1812 established the historical test, which interpreted the amendment as relying on English common law to determine whether a jury trial was necessary in a civil suit. So it's wrap-up time. So the 7th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution says that civil cases or lawsuits based on disagreements between people or businesses have a right to be decided by a jury in a federal court. The amount of the lawsuit must be more than $20, and after a jury settles the case, it shouldn't go back to trial again. So the $20 was never changed. It was never brought up to economic standards with inflation and all that. So it still remains $20. But the important thing is it shouldn't go back to trial again once it's settled. So I hope you learned something today, and we'll bring you future videos. This is number 7 of 27, 20 more to go. So I appreciate every single one of you for supporting our channel, watching our videos, giving us the feedback. We so appreciate it. Without you, we don't exist. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, click the little bell notification, and you'll receive notifications on future videos. In the near future, we'll be having some membership opportunities. Please check it out. You'll have lots of little bells and whistles and membership-only videos that will be just crazy awesome. So thanks again. Enjoy your day. God bless America. God bless you and your family. Have a great day.